Since we have done second order derivative, I hope you understood what is second order derivative. Derivative of first order derivative is called second order derivative. Basically, if we have a function and we want the second order derivative of that particular function, then 2 times differentiation we have to do with respect to that x. Like x ka agar function we are having, so 2 times differentiation with respect to x अगर हम करेंगे, then we'll get second order derivative of that fx, मतलब that function of x. Okay, so if y is a function of x, then dy by dx will be equal to f dash x, that is first order derivative. Then we have to do second order derivative, then d2y by dx square, that will be equal to f double dash x, मतलब 2 times differentiation we are doing, then we'll get second order derivative. So you understood the concept of second order derivative we have done in our last video. So today we'll do sums, only sums based on second order derivative. Different types of sums we'll do. Okay. So we have a question. Find d2y by dx square, मतलब second order derivative we have to find out if y is given, y is equal to square root of x. So what we'll do, y is equal to the square root of x, it means y is equal to x to the power 1 by 2 लिख सकते हैं ना, because square root मतलब x to the power 1 by 2. Now we have to find out dy by dx. So what will be the value of dy by dx? x to the power 1 by 2, जो भी पावर है वो सामने लिखेंगे, and x का पावर क्या होगा, जो भी पावर है -1. So it will be 1 by 2 x to the power -1 by 2. Okay. Now we have to find out d2y by dx square, and that will be ऑलरेडी 1 by 2 है यहाँ पे. नाउ मल्टीप्लाइड बाय जो पावर है उसको हम नीचे लिखेंगे -1/2, एंड x का पावर विल बी -1/2, ऑलरेडी है -1. अगेन विल एक पावर कम करेंगे ना, सो इट विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस हो जाएगा, एंड 1/4 x to the power -3/2. ओके, सो इसको हम सिंपली वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस, d2y by dx स्क्वायर है, इसको हम सिंपली लिख सकते हैं 1/4 है ना, सो 1/4, एंड x माइनस में है पावर तो नीचे लिखेंगे, एंड x का पावर क्या है 3x क्यूब स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x क्यूब. सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x क्यूब है मतलब x इंटू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x. ठीक है. So this will be the value of second order derivative of y. Okay. So now we have another question. Find d2y by dx square if y का value is x to the power 5. Okay. Then what will be the differentiating both side, will get dy by dx. Differentiating both side with respect to x. ओके, सो विल गेट dy by dx, एंड इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, विल गेट 5, जो पावर है वो सामने रहेगा, एंड उसका पावर एक कम हो जाता है, राइट. सो x to the power 5 minus 1, that is 5x to the power 4. okay, now d2y by dx square, again differentiating this one, so it is already 5 है, multiplied by power 4 सामने आएगा, and x का पावर एक और कम होगा, it will be 3. so d2y by dx square will be equal to 5 4 is 20 x to the power 3. ठीक है, 20x cube. Okay. So we have another question. Again we have to find out the second order derivative if y is equal to x to the power -7. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, will get dy by dx is equal to -7 x to the power, already x का पावर -7 है, will remove one more power, मतलब एक और माइनस करेंगे, so it will be -8. okay, so it will be -8. okay, now d2y by dx square, मतलब again differentiating this one, already -7 is there, -8 भी बाहर आएगा फ्रंट में, and then x to the power it will be -9. so d2y by dx square will be equal to, अच्छा माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, एंड 7 8 जा 56. ओके, एंड x टू द पावर -9 है. ठीक है, सो -9 को हम नीचे भी लिख सकते हैं, सो इट विल बी ओके, हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, सो इट विल बी 56x टू द पावर -9, या फिर 56 डिवाइडेड बाय x टू द पावर 9. ओके, both ways we can write. Okay. Okay, so another question, y is equal to e to the power x. Differentiating both sides, we'll get dy by dx is equal to e to the power x, because when we are differentiating e to the power x, we'll get e to the power x. ठीक है, when we are differentiating e to the power x with respect to x, we'll get e to the power x. लेकिन अगर e to the power 2x रहे या फिर x स्क्वायर रहे, इन दैट केस अगेन जो ऊपर f का x का फंक्शन रहेगा, अगेन वी नीड टू डिफरेंशिएट दैट. ठीक है, सो वो एज इट इज रहेगा, बट x का पावर में ओनली x इज देयर, सो देयर विल बी ई एक्स, नो चेंज. बट x के साथ इफ e to the power fx रहेगा, if there is a function of x like x square 2x x cube या x plus something, okay, या log x या 1 plus log x, ऐसे कुछ भी any function of x, in that case as it is तो हम लिखेंगे, but again we have to differentiate that जो fx का function है पावर में, उसको भी हमें differentiate करके we need to write here and multiply. Okay, so this will be as it is. So d2y by dx square हम करेंगे, again इसको हम differentiate करेंगे, we'll get e to the power x. So there will be no change when we are differentiating e to the power x, we'll get that answer. अगर हम one time differentiate करें, two times करें, या सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव हो, या थर्ड ऑर्डर, फोर्थ ऑर्डर, कितने भी ऑर्डर हम फाइंड आउट करें, we'll get e to the power x. There will be no change. Okay. Now we have another question, d2y by dx square हमें find out करना है if y is a function of x, मतलब exponential function of x. तो e to the power 2x plus 1, here e to the power 2x plus 1 तो as it is हम लिखेंगे, but again this is a function of x, so again we need to multiply with the derivative of this function of x. Okay, so dy by dx will be equal to e to the power 2x प्लस 1. ये तो एज इट इज विल राइट, बिकॉज ई टू द पावर जो भी पावर है वो वैसे ही रहता है, बट इफ देयर इज पावर में अगर कोई फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स है, देन वी नीड टू डिफरेंशिएट दैट फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स. मतलब जो भी वॉट एवर इज देयर ई टू द पावर में जो भी एफ एक्स है, मतलब फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स है, उसको हम डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं. सो व्हेन देयर वाज ओनली एक्स, ई टू द पावर एक्स था, तो व्हेन वी आर डिफरेंशिएटिंग एक्स विल गेट 1, so there will be no change. But when we have to differentiate this one, we'll get something. So 2x को हम differentiate करेंगे, we'll get 2, and 1 को differentiate करके we'll get 0, so it will be 2. So the answer will be 2e to the power 2x plus 1. Okay, for dy by dx. Now we have to find out d2y by dx square. So again differentiating this one, first of all we'll write 2 here, e to the power 2x plus 1. Now again we need to differentiate this one, this function, so we'll get 2, so again we'll multiply by 2. So हमारा जो final answer आएगा for d2y by dx square, second order derivative of this function, will get 2 into 2, 4 e to the power 2x plus 1. Okay, so this will be our answer. So we have another question, d2y by dx square find out करना है, मतलब second order derivative for y is equal to exponential function of x. Okay, so differentiating both sides will get dy by dx is equal to e to the power log x, as it is रहेगा. Okay, but again we need to differentiate this log x, this function of x, so we'll get 1 upon x. ठीक है, so now what value we are getting, 1 upon x, मतलब कि e to the power log x divided by x. ठीक है, now d2y by dx square, इसके लिए we have two things, एक तो है x to the power minus 1, okay, and just leave it, we'll take u and y के u and v के टर्म में log of x and divided by x. Okay, so as we know that अगर हमारे पास एक y is equal to u upon v है, so dy by dx क्या होता है, it will be v du upon dx minus u dv upon dx divided by v square. Okay, now we'll put the value of this. Okay, d2y by dx square करना है, so the value will be d e to the power log x divided by x. Okay, so dy upon dx मतलब uv के टर्म में. So now d2y by dx square क्या होगा, d2y by dx square will be, now we'll put the value here in uv के टर्म में. So v du, so v is this one x, so x and du, now we have to differentiate this one. So after differentiating this one, what we'll get, यहाँ पे क्या मिला था हमें, log x divided by x, x cancel, now minus u is the upper one. Okay, so log x, see u is the numerator, तो numerator हम as it is लिखेंगे. now denominator v को हम differentiate करेंगे, we'll get 1. okay, now divided by v square, what is v, v is x, so x square. so what value we will get for second order derivative, क्या मिलेगा हमें वैल्यू, e to the power log of x minus e to the power log of x divided by x square. So what value we are getting, e to the power log x minus e to the power log x, तो हमें मिलेगा 0. So we'll get 0. So d2y by dx square for y, if y is equal to e to the power log x, will get 0. ठीक है? I hope you understood the concept. I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.